Hey guys, what's going on? And today we are doing a tech video. The tech video is I bought a Switch Lite. And I bought another Switch because I wanted to stream my Switch because the new Monster Hunter game came out and I love Monster Hunter. I played a load of Monster Hunter World. I played Monster Hunter Tri on the Wii. I played on the Wii U Tri Ultimate. I played the old Monster Hunter games, and you know, the MonsterHunterRise game is out, and I wanted to stream some of that. I've been playing with my friend Con, my friend Flag, and we want, you know, I want to stream some of it. You know, I'm not too far into it, but I've been holding out on it because me and my friends, we play it together and try and get it done together, do the story together, so we have fun. We don't want to try and rush it, because when we rush things, you know, then you get bored of the game. And you know, Monster Hunter is a grinding game. You have fun. You do some dumb shit with the monsters that you get killed by. So I decided to buy a Nintendo Switch, you know, the battery improvement one, and it's not just a normal Nintendo Switch. Of course, I'm talking about Monster Hunter. I get the Monster Hunter Rises edition. Yeah. Now let me tell you how much this was. So I've been talking to my friend Con. He lives in America. And for him to buy this Monster Hunter Rises edition is about, I think he said, I could be wrong here, like it depends which state you're in and probably how much it is if you've got it in stock or not. I think he said it's about $500, $550. For me, I picked it up from my local Argos. They had it in stock for some reason. Every time, I don't know, every time where I live, they've got it in stock, like all the collectible things. And I picked it up for £330. Now the only downside of me buying this that I could see is it has already the game installed kind of, but I've already bought the game. So that means I have 2 copies of the game if that works. Yeah. I don't know. But anyway, and the other downside is I bought this. My dad picked it up and it's like broken. The boxes. It's like, don't people look after the boxes? But anyway, it doesn't really matter. At least it's the box. At least it's not the thing. Well, I hope it's not the thing. Today we are going to open this and see what it's like. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's go. I had the Switch Lite for quite a while, and the Switch Lite is quite good, you know. But the only downside is you can't dock it. You can't put it on your TV, which is normal. And it's great to take to bed with, you know. It's really nice. I don't have to keep it or sell it. I'll think about it because I might just sell it, because now I've got this, which you're all, obviously, when you want to see what's inside. If you haven't got it, you can see pretty much here. I will be blurring the code if there is a code in it, or I might be giving it away. It depends. If you guys want Monster Hunter Rises, I'll have a look if I can give it away or not. I don't know. It might be already installed, so I don't know. Anyway, let's open this broken box thing, because, you know, my local store doesn't like to look after boxes for some reason. That's normal. My local store's like that probably. But yeah, it's only like broken here. They've ripped it there, which is weird. Anyway, let me have a look at this. Is this the code or is this something else? I have no idea what this is. This is... I don't know what this is. Bundle pack version. It doesn't give me any details. Okay, I'm just going to put that there. Okay, so we want to see what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is take pieces out at once because it's quite big, you know. So let's put that there and we'll look at that and then we'll look at the other stuff. Let me move this over here. Right, so this is the Joy-Cons. Let's have a look at the Joy-Cons, because the Joy-Cons are always nice to look at, I think. Oh, look at that. That is quite nice. So you've got the little things on them. I don't know what they're called. I need to get it in frame there. Oh, look at that. I like that on the back, actually. That is pretty cool on the back. So that's the right Joy-Con. And then let's look at the left Joy-Con real quick. I'll keep these in here because you never know. Maybe in the future I'll sell it, but probably I won't because I like to collect stuff sometimes. So this is the other Joy-Con. It's pretty much the same. Kind of. Yeah, pretty much is the same. So if I put them together real quick. There you go. But they're nice. Nice. The little Joy-Cons there. So let's look at the main pad thing. Does this have a screen protector on it. Oh, it does not. I'm kind of scared to get that out then. I'm gonna try and get a screen protector. But anyway, you can see from the back, you know, this has got that on. It's got the stand there. Where do I put the SD card? Game card goes there. I don't know, I'll have a look where I put the SD card. Yeah, not bad, not bad, not bad. I'll keep that in there for now, because I might want to, you know, put some things in places. I'll put that there for now. I'll have a look at it. The next part I'm gonna, we have the straps, which don't really have anything on them. I'm trying to get the important pieces out. So you've got a Nintendo Switch Lite thing. You've got the normal, you know, where you control it. I like how this, you know what? To be fair, I like how they bring these, because when they bring these, you don't really have to get a controller pro per se. If you can use this, then it's kind of good, because I can probably use this and I don't really need to get a controller pro. Even though there is a Monster Hunter Edition one, I probably could just use this, which is great. And I like how it stands as well. It stands it stands great. Like, you could just put it there and just leave it there and it stands. Then you've got your HDMI, which normal comes, you know. You've got your charger, which great, because there's some companies that don't come with a charger anymore, you know. And then you've got your main thing that you want to see is your dock. Let's get the dock. That's the thing that you want to see, because it's a dock. Let's get it. Your charger. It's not a charger, it's a plug source. So here is the dock. Look at that. Flagship monster there. MonsterHunterRise. You know, nice. You got your pull back thing here, so you got your HDMI out, USB and adapter. Put that away, and that's it. That's a dock. So this will be going like here, so I can dock it every time. But yeah, that's pretty nice. And I'll set all this up and I'll let you have a look at it when it's set up. I'm gonna do some stuff, and yeah, I'll get back to you. Hey guys, and we have done it. We have connected all the Nintendo Switch that we can. We are on Monster Hunter Rises right now. I am going to show you with the camera, and yes, there you go. I am on it right now, and as you can see, I have got two monitors, and if I go down real quick, you can see that it's there, all hooked up, and I'm using this at the minute because I don't have a Pro controller, but I don't think I'll need one. This is good. It's got, you know, it's nice. It comes with every Nintendo Switch, and that's where I'm going to have it. It's easy to do, you know, it's easy to set up. Nintendo Switch is easy to set up, and then you can see it right there. And also you can see it on my OBS as well. But yeah, there you go. It is right there with my dog going around and my cat. So yeah, you know, it works very well. You know, I can move up and down, you know. I'm kind of looking at the wrong screen, but you know, it works. It's perfectly fine. And now I can stream it on my OBS, and I will be doing streaming later. So yeah, stay in tune, and thank you for watching as always.